Before buying a Pomodoro timer, there are a few important things you should know to make sure you're getting the best value for your time and productivity. There's no shortage of time management tools out there, but the Pomodoro technique stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. Let's dive into what you need to consider before committing to one. First, one of the most crucial factors is whether the Pomodoro timer offers customization. Some apps only allow you to use the traditional 25-minute work and 5-minute break intervals, while others allow you to adjust the timing based on your personal productivity needs. If you're looking for a more flexible timer, you'll want to choose one that lets you tweak the intervals. Next, check for integrations with other productivity tools. Many Pomodoro timers work in isolation, but the best ones sync with task managers like Trello or to-do apps like Todoist. This will save you time since you won't need to manually enter tasks each time you start a new session. The third thing you need to consider is user interface and design. A clean, intuitive interface can make a huge difference when you're in the zone. Some timers come with too many distractions or an overly complicated layout, which can take away from the core purpose of staying focused. You'll want an app that's easy to navigate and doesn't add unnecessary friction. The fourth thing to know is whether the timer supports task tracking. Some Pomodoro timers only focus on time management, while others track your progress over days, weeks, or months. A timer that tracks your tasks will give you insights into how productive you've been and help you adjust accordingly. Next, check if the Pomodoro timer includes a mobile version. If you're someone who works on the go or prefers using your phone over a computer, having a mobile-friendly app is essential. Some of the more popular timers have great mobile apps, while others focus primarily on desktop use. Another point to consider is whether the timer provides notifications and reminders. Some timers are too subtle when it comes to alerts, and you might miss the cue to take a break or get back to work. Look for one that offers customizable notifications, so you can set the alerts to your preference. The seventh thing to think about is how the timer handles long breaks. Traditional Pomodoro intervals include a longer 15 to 30-minute break after completing 4 work sessions. Make sure the timer you choose can handle this longer break without resetting or interfering with your workflow. The eighth thing to consider is battery usage, especially for mobile versions. While Pomodoro timers aren't typically battery draining, some apps are more efficient than others. You don't want to be stuck with a timer that eats up your battery during your work session, especially if you rely on it for several hours at a time. Next up, think about whether the app has a built-in timer history. Some people like to track their Pomodoro sessions in order to identify patterns or areas for improvement. Having an app that allows you to review your past sessions can help you optimize your work habits. The 10th thing is a good reporting feature. A Pomodoro timer with detailed reports will show you how much time you've spent working versus taking breaks, giving you valuable data to improve your productivity over time. This is especially useful if you're working toward specific goals. Another thing to look for is whether the app offers motivational features like sounds, themes, or gamification. Some timers come with fun sounds to keep you engaged, while others feature progress bars or challenges to keep you motivated. Find one that aligns with your working style and keeps you engaged during those long sessions. Lastly, consider the price and whether it offers value for money. Some Pomodoro timers are free, while others have paid premium versions with added features. Compare the cost with the features offered to make sure you're getting the best deal for your needs. So, is a Pomodoro timer a good investment? It can definitely boost your productivity, especially if you're someone who needs structure and clear goals. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution, consider trying out our recommended tool. You can get started for free and see if it meets your needs better. Check the link in the description to give it a try.